There are three basic types of network devices, okay, that I like to talk about in my class. You have hubs, switches, and routers. Okay? A hub is a layer 1 device. There's no intelligence to it. It just sends out what it hears. Switches are layer 2 devices. They look at the MAC address and they figure out where everyone's located, so you don't have to send every message to every person on the network. So there's some intelligence going on there. The routers are in layer 3, and they are the device that connects different networks together. So check it out. Okay, let's say that I have a switch over here, and I'm sharing a printer, and I've got some kind of, let's just call it a web server, and then a couple of computers that use those resources. Alright, so they're all happy campers here using the network, using the devices, and the switch has everything working smoothly, so there's no collisions. Alright, and then so this is, we'll call this Topeka, since I'm talking to you from Kansas. And over here, another branch of our company has a switch doing the same thing. A couple of office mates using their computers. Alright. And they're sharing a printer. And they also have some kind of web server going on. Okay. And they're all happily sharing their local resources on their local area network. But what if I want to see the website of the Topeka office? Oh, what city's this? We'll call it Salina. All right. So if I'm in this office, computer A, B, C, and D, and I want to see the website of the Topeka office, I've got a problem. I'm not connected to them. So what I need to do is I need to get myself a router, and it's usually just some arrows, circle with some arrows is the symbol. Alright, so this router device talks to each other over a WAN link. So normally you'll lease this line from a telecommunications company, and it allows a connection between cities. And then the router also connects to the local area network. So check this out. The router is basically the gateway point between networks. That's the definition of what a router does. Okay, a router connects networks together. So this router is actually another computer, but with a specialized task of connecting networks together. It belongs to the Topeka network. This router belongs to the Salina network. But what's unique about routers is they belong to more than one network. They also belong to this WAN link network. In this case, there's only 2 routers that are on that network. And they have a point-to-point link linking the cities. So once you get the routers in place, now computer B can look at the website of the Topeka office and get that. The cool thing, the fun thing when we first started playing with networks like this across cities is as long as the security allows it, B could print to the printer in Topeka and send them a good morning message. So that's the difference between a switch and a router. The switch is a local area network device used to clean up collisions, make the network run more smoothly. It's in layer 2. The router is the layer 3 device that allows us to get from network to network to network.